Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add an EMA or an exponential moving average in Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and that simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators. Now here type moving average and choose this one, moving average exponential. Okay, so click on it. And now this is our EMA. Click on it one time. And now click on these three dots. Click on settings. And you can add the period here. So let's say, for example, 50 EMA. We have here style. You can change the color if you want. For example, yellow. And you can change the thickness from here. After you finish, just click on OK. So this one is an EMA, a 50 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.